Feist, and she's going to play catch. Woo! Yay! Yay! Yay, Feist! What a good girl! What a good girl! Wow! Wow, big girl. Good job, Feist. Wow. Wow. He's a perfect doggy. Who's the best puppy in all the land? It's Feisty Burger Baby. Uh-oh. My special block to keep Feist in the room is getting destroyed by this ball game. You see maybe in the distance that I had to attach a plank. Here, wait a minute, let me show Mommy Feist. See, we had to attach a plank to the bottom of the gate so that Feist could not leave. Okay, so here she goes, playing tuggy in the other. Now go, ready? Whoa!